Alright, this is the Harris Visible No. 4 typewriter, 1912 antique, and I minimally oiled the keys so that, I guess the typeset, I don't really know. I'm not a typewriter person. I oiled them so that they do type my name. They do strike. I used some machine oil. I believe it's actually for a sewing machine, but I did use machine oil to oil them. Minimally cleaned them as best I could with the Q-tip, but I don't want to get into the inner workings of the typewriter because I obviously don't know what I'm doing. I'm going to leave that up to someone who does know what they're doing to finish restoring it. The belt underneath that moves, I believe, I don't know what this is called, I think the typeset or something, I don't know. The thing that moves this is broken, so it does not move when you type, but it does move back and forth with the lever. So, if you have any other questions, I will answer them to the best of my ability. It does have a ribbon. It looks like it's a little bit worn. It would have to be moved or adjusted in some way that I'm not sure about, so I'm not going to mess with that either. If you have any questions, I will do my best to answer them. Just let me know. Thank you.